Hi, it's Sebastian. Welcome to my YouTube channel about Airbnb. So today I would like to introduce you all amenities you need when you start a listing on Airbnb. Okay, alors so about when you open a listing on Airbnb, first you have to think all amenities you have to provide. And first you have to provide the internet. So you have to provide anytime internet with Wi-Fi, and because the guest anytime will need the internet when he will stay in your flat or when he will stay in your house. Then also I recommend to provide TV, big TV, big size with a smart TV. Smart TV is a system on internet, so you can look internet directly from your TV. So I suggest to provide a smart TV. It will more you give good furniture to your guests, more your guests will be happy. Then, first, about the bedroom, for each bedroom, you have to provide the bedding. So I mean the bed sheet, pillow. You have to provide minimum one pillow for one people. It's the minimum. The best is to provide two pillow because some guests like to sleeping with two pillow. Then you have also to provide towels for each guest. So if your flat can receive two guests, you have to provide two big towels when they take a shower. And you can provide also, if you need a small towel, for example, when they wash hair, for example, or when they want to wash their hand, you have to provide another towels, but the minimum is one big towel per each guest. About the bathroom, you have to provide, of course, the soap, the shampoo. And now it's towel, soap, shampoo is the minimum you have to provide when you start a listing on Airbnb. Airbnb now allow only listing. They allow to start a listing on Airbnb now since July of this month. When you can provide yes, towel, soap, shampoo. It's the minimum you have to provide. Before it was not necessary, but now if you have a booking on Airbnb, through Airbnb, you have to provide this for your guests. It's a minimum. Then also I recommend to provide hair dryer, of course, in your bathroom, minimum one hair dryer. Also, of course, you can provide a mat bathroom for each bathroom. Now then, about your kitchen. Your kitchen must is better. If you can see recently on Airbnb, they say they have a new status. Before you had the status about Superhost. Now you have a new status. It's 5-star listing on Airbnb. So they check, for example, the kitchen. So more you provide in your kitchen, more is better for to get this status, and more your guests will be happy. For example, the minimum to provide in your kitchen is to have a kettle for hot water. If they want to drink a tea, if they want to have hot water, the kettle is the minimum to provide. And also microwave, of course. And you have to provide pan, stove, fork, spoon, everything for eating. Of course, you can provide coffee maker. If the guests come from, for example, America or come from Europe, they will like to make their own coffee. So it's better to provide this. If you receive Chinese guest or Asian guest, I recommend highly to provide a rice cooker, because anytime they like to cook the rice. So rice cooker is it's a minimum If you have a listing in Asia, or if you receive a Chinese guest, but I suppose you receive Chinese guests because now actually Chinese people travel everywhere in the world, so it's very I recommend I highly recommend to provide this furniture. Also, you can, in your kitchen, you can provide dish, soap and sponge for cleaning the kitchen. It's a minimum. Everywhere in bathroom, in your kitchen, everywhere you can. I recommend to provide a bin with a garbage bag for your guest. If you want to, if you like to see your flat or your house clean every time when they check out, it's better to provide a garbage bag. And now about the guest, or maybe about your maid, your housekeeper, when she come to start the cleaning, you have to provide, the minimum is to have a vacuum, a mop, and all cleaners for clean the kitchen, for clean the bathroom, for clean the window, for clean everything. And then to finish, you can provide also the iron on the iron table. It's a plus, but it's not really expensive, and it's better for your guest to have this furniture. In your flat, I recommend, because many times the guests like to wash their clothes, and if you have a washing machine, if you don't have now, and if you thinking to buy in future a washing machine, I recommend to buy washing and dryer machine. Then your guests can wash and dry their clothes, and it's better because you have to make a difference between hotel and between your listing. So washing machine, dryer, it's better. I recommend to provide also this furniture, but it's not necessary when you start, of course. Then to finish, you have to find someone to clean your house, or maybe it will be you anytime. But if you not stay in your city, or it's better to have a company, or to have someone can clean for after each checkout. Also, I recommend to find, before to start your listing, someone, a handyman, can help anytime if you have any problem in your house or in your flat, because you will see more you receive guests, more you will have small issue about something in your flat. So better to find, before to start, someone, a handyman or a company can come anytime to repair something, or to help you if the guest have a small issue in your flat. Yes, another mention, very important, I forgot to say you, it's better to provide 2 sets about bedding. Because when you have a checkout and the check-in is the same day, or for example, if you have a checkout but you don't have any time, or maybe you have someone but he can't to come the same day, the checkout to clean, it's better to have a second set, because you will not have any time to wash your the bed sheet, to wash everything about the bedding, and it's better you change, you switch the bedding in the bed, and then you will clean later the bedding from the last guest when you check out. So it's better when you start to provide 2 bed sheets about everything about the bedding, and provide also 2 sets per guest. 1 set you keep in your office or somewhere, and 1 set in your flat for the guest. It was Sebastian. If you liked my YouTube video, you can let a like in my video, and you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.